Hi everyone. So welcome to the channel today. So in today's topic, we want to talk about solving marketing problems. And the framework we're going to use today is the Badir framework, spelled Badir framework. So B in the Badir framework is for business questions. And so a typical business question is, what is the problem, right? Number of leads have dropped, number of opportunities, traffic, etc. And then the A in the Badir framework is analysis plan. So oftentimes the framework you want to use, the one we tend to use often is the sort of root cause analysis framework. There are multiple frameworks that you can use, but our favorite is root cause analysis. And then of course the D in the Badir framework is data collection. How are you going to collect data and how are you going to measure it, right? If you're going to collect data on a weekly basis, monthly basis, you determine that. And then we've got insights. So once you've collected your data, you've noticed a couple of trends. How are you going to test that theory? What happened? Why did it happen? If you test your theory and it holds, great. You move on to your recommendations. If it doesn't hold, you keep testing your theories until you find something that actually holds and makes sense, and then you make your recommendations. So we'll give some concrete examples on how we've used this Badir framework in the past. So we were recently testing a problem for a client, and we looked at, number of opportunities had dropped from PPC. And so the first thing we asked ourselves was, has the number of leads that we do generate drop? And the answer was a bit inconsistent. So eventually we found out, the number of leads that were being generated had not dropped. So then we looked at, the number of clicks. Has the number of clicks in the last 3 months dropped? And again, the answer was no, number of clicks had not dropped. Has spend changed in the last 3 months? Answer was no, spend had not changed. Not a lot had happened on a website to cause a decrease in conversion. Now, because we knew the number of leads had not dropped, we knew any change on the conversion would not cause this. So then naturally, we looked into the CRM to see, let's have a look at the types of keywords that were driving these opportunities and to make sure those same keywords are driving opportunities now. So we looked at the keywords and we found out some of the keywords, even though they were driving leads, were not necessarily driving conversions. And those types of keywords were spending up our budget. And as a result, we paused those keywords. And guess what? Voila. We started getting more leads actually, but then more opportunities as a result of those keywords. So there are multiple frameworks that you can use to solve PPC and SEO problems, marketing problems in general. Whenever we have a PPC problem, we always go to this particular problem solving methodology, and it always comes through. We've been using this sort of thing for probably like 7 years. I learned it from one very, very good mentor of mine, and it's saved me through a lot of situations. So I hope it was useful. If you want us to help you with anything, just ping me and let me know, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. All right, take care. Bye-bye.